Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Coinbase. Now my Coinbase option expires here tomorrow. So today's Thursday, tomorrow's monthly expiration, October 15th. And it doesn't look like it's going to make it, so I need to roll. Let's see if I can do that. For a credit, obviously. A week? Wow, it doesn't give me much premium. Only $1.65. Okay, let's try to roll it out maybe another week. All right. $3, that's better for sure. Let's go out to the monthly. Let's go try that. $9 almost. I'll take that. It's pretty good. All right. And it looks like it filled, so I didn't ask for enough. Alright, well, let's go back and look at position. Alright, you can see I have some Coinbase shares that are long. Should probably add to that position at some point, dollar cost average in a little more. Bring my cost basis down. But I'm doing that by rolling these options. Now, I'm very bullish on Coinbase for the long term. I think this is a $400 or $500 stock, at least. If they keep doubling earnings, this thing's going to the moon. 1,500 bucks, at least. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. And thanks for watching.